Welcome to Smart Health and Fitness. Today, we're focusing on simple and effective daily exercises that are perfect for staying healthy and energized. These exercises can be done at home without any equipment, making them accessible for everyone. So no matter where you are, you can follow along and get moving. To start, we'll begin with a warm-up to prepare your body for exercise. First, gently roll your neck in a circular motion, first one way, then the other, to release any tension. Next, shrug your shoulders up and down a few times to loosen up. After that, extend your arms out to your sides and start making small circles, gradually making them bigger. Finally, get your heart rate up by doing a light jog in place or high knees for 2 minutes. This will help increase your blood flow and get you ready for the workout ahead. Let's dive into the first exercise, jumping jacks. This classic move is great for increasing your heart rate and working your entire body. Stand with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump and spread your legs wide while raising your arms above your head. Then jump again to return to the starting position. Keep a steady pace for 1 minute, but if you need a break, feel free to slow down or pause briefly. These will help get your blood pumping and your muscles warmed up. Next, we'll focus on squats. Squats are excellent for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointing out. Keep your chest up and your back straight as you lower your hips down and back as though you're about to sit in a chair. Ensure that your knees stay aligned with your toes and don't go past your toes as you lower down. Push through your heels to return to standing. Try to do 3 sets of 10 to 15 squats, focusing on maintaining good form throughout. Now let's move on to push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic way to strengthen your chest, arms, and core. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push yourself back up. If a full push-up is too challenging, feel free to do them on your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. If needed, take a short break between sets to recover. Next, we'll work on your core with a plank. This is a fantastic exercise to build strength in your abs, back, and shoulders. Start by lying face down, then lift your body up onto your toes and forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and engage your core to avoid sagging in your lower back. Hold this position for 30 seconds. If 30 seconds feels too long, start with a shorter time and gradually increase it as you get stronger. Lunges are up next. Lunges are excellent for targeting your legs and glutes. Start by standing tall with your feet together. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Make sure your front knee stays aligned with your ankle, not pushing past your toes. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Take your time with each lunge, focusing on proper form to avoid injury. Finally, we'll cool down with some gentle stretches. Stretching after a workout helps improve flexibility and prevent muscle soreness. Start by reaching both arms above your head, stretching as high as you can to lengthen your body. Then, slowly bend forward and reach for your toes to stretch your hamstrings. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply as you relax into each position. You can also stretch your arms across your chest and stretch out your quadriceps by pulling one foot toward your glutes. Great job! You've just completed your daily exercise routine. Remember, consistency is key for maintaining a healthy and strong body. Try to do this routine every day, and soon you'll feel more energized and healthier overall. Thanks so much for joining us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to spread the health and fitness love. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep moving.